Bonjour mes amis! Today we are working on our very first sound blend. You might remember this from way back before spring break when we started practicing it in the classroom. We are looking at the sound on. Can you practice saying it? On. We get when we take O and N and smash them together. O, N, on. On. Let's look at some words that have in them. So this word means your. Temps. T, temps. Next, we have son, which means his. Son. Next, we want to say my, and we have mon, mon. If you look really closely, you might find something cool about these words. They all rhyme. Temps, mon, son. Screwed that up. Temps, son, mon. Do you hear the rhymes? Can you practice saying them? Good job. All right, let's look at some other words. This is a word I know everyone loves. Think about it. You get them around Saint Valentin. You get them maybe for Easter. Bon, bon. B, b, bon, bon. Can you practice saying that? Now, our next word, many of you might have been on one of these before. They take us traveling to other places in the world. Avion. Do you hear the sound? Can you see it right here? Avion. Now you practice saying it. And then, I know another good one. This is a word I'll use, but only to talk about some of the students in our class. Garçon, which means boys. Do you see the sound? Can you hear it? Garçon. Garçon. Okay. Now there's two more that I'm going to teach you. Where is the place that everyone is stuck these days? Are you stuck in the park? Are you stuck at school? Or are maybe you stuck at your maison or your house? Do you see the sound? When I say maison, do you hear the sound? Maison. Now our very last one is a cute little animal. Super furry and the color blanc. And it's mouton. Mouton or sheep. Do you hear the sound? Can you see it? If you look really closely, you might even find another sound that we're going to learn very soon in this, but that's coming up soon. Okay, my friends, see you next time.